How to adjust browser screen size. First, let's restore or maximize your browser window so it fills the entire screen. Click the rectangle icon in the top right corner of the browser window. If you can't see the rectangle but can see the top bar, left-click on the top bar and drag the window back onto the screen until the rectangle becomes visible. Then click on it. You can also double-click the top bar to quickly expand or shrink the window, depending on its current size. If you can't see the top bar and need to restore your browser window, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press the Windows key plus up arrow to maximize the browser window and make it fill the screen. To restore the window to its previous size, press the Windows key plus down arrow. If your browser window has moved off the screen, press the Windows key plus left arrow to move it to the left side, or Windows key plus right arrow to move it to the right side. This is especially helpful if you were using two monitors and disconnected one. Sometimes the browser window disappears because the computer still thinks two monitors are connected. Using these shortcuts will bring the window back onto your screen. To change the size of the content displayed inside your browser, open the browser's Settings menu and adjust the zoom level. Click the plus icon to zoom in or the minus icon to zoom out. Keep in mind that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the web browser you are using. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.